Mr. Winnie, tell us about the Learning Center.
Okay, the Learning Center for us is a great project. It brings our children in more direction of education. It's a beginning of education for us. So we hope that our community in general will be satisfied with the donation. Sure, me and the communal movement thank you all very much for this donation and for the work also. And we hope that we could continue hand in hand to see what else we can help you or what else you can help you with further in the future. But for us, it's a huge project because this is something down in the sleep for a long time and just couldn't get it out. We have some more need around school education. For instance, our children, we need maybe a library. We need somewhere for a computer center because everywhere nowadays it's a different system of education. So if we can get our children somewhere with technology, I think we'll be advancing for benefit and development of our communities.